Good morning, everyone. My name is Sufyan, and my teammates are Hardi and Bhanu. Today, I am excited to showcase the functionalities of a database system designed for managing and analyzing book-related data. We'll start by introducing the ER diagram. ER diagram is a visual representation of our book management system. This diagram is essential for understanding how our data is structured and how different entities within our system are related to each other. Now scrolling to the ER diagram, this is the visual representation of the ER diagram. This ER diagram consists of several entities including books, authors, editions, publishers, sales, and checkouts. Each entity represents a type of data in our database and is linked by relationship that show how one type of data can interact with another. Now let me just give you a detailed explanation of all these entities inside this ER diagram. Coming to authors, it contains details about books including titles, genre, volume number, and each book is written by an author, which is represented by linking a table to another other author entity. Coming to book editions, different editions of a book are captured here with detail like format, publication date, and price. These editions are linked back to the books and are published by publisher. Uh, Now, coming to the explanation of the relationships, let me just give you a brief idea about this. The written by is a relationship that shows each book is authored by one or more authors. Has and rated by, these define the connection between books, ratings, and reviewers, showing that books can have multiple ratings and each rating is made by a specific reviewer. Is awarded indicates that book can win multiple awards, detailing an award name, detailing the award name, and year it was won. Is published by connects each book edition to a publisher, highlighting the publishing details. Coming to the sales and checkouts entities, the sales entities records each sales transaction, including the sales date, discount, and the sales quarter. It is crucial for tracking the commercial successes of books. And in checkouts, it represents how often books are borrowed with a data on a checkout frequency and timing. This helps in understanding the popularity and circulation of books. And all the multiplicities are in the visualization is represented as 1 is to 1 and 0 is to many, 1 is to 1, 0 to many. In summary, this ER diagram provides a comprehensive map of how our book management system is structured. It's not just a tool for database designers, but for all the stakeholders to understand the interaction between different data points. This diagram ensures that we can efficiently manage and retrieve data, enhancing our operational capabilities and decision-making processes. Now I'll give a demonstration of the DBMS functionalities. And now for each table in our database, authors, book sales, etc., I will execute a SQL query to display all the data contained in this table. So first executing the authors table. These are 10 records that we have inserted in this authors table, having names as author ID, first name, last name, birthday, country of residence, hours writing per day. This is the output in the book table having these many columns. And this is the output of the publisher table having publisher ID as primary key. Coming to book edition table, this is the output of the table. And similarly, in the review table, this many records in this table are there. For ratings, there is rating and book ID, rating ID, and reviewer ID as columns in this table. And now next coming to execution of award table. We have these many rows and these many columns in the awards table. And this is the output of the checkouts table. This is the output of a sales table. Next, for each table, I'll demonstrate the use of aggregate function. For example, calculating total number of books sold, average price of books, and maximum number of checkouts per box. And now coming to the books table, this is first aggregate query, and it gives this output. So we have calculated the count of books according to genre. And next in the authors table, we have done this aggregate query, and it gives the number of authors grouped by country of residence, that is US, Canada, UK, Australia, etc. And next, coming to book editions table, this query gives the average price from book edition table. And coming to the publishers table, the aggregate query gives the count from publisher table where country is equals to US. And coming to the ratings table, it gives the count of ratings from the group by as book ID in the ratings table. Next, coming to the checkouts table, it gives the average number of checkouts from checkouts table. Executing the code for the aggregate query for the awards table, this table gives the year one in total awards in one in that year. And in sales table, there are two sales quarter. For second sales quarter, 515 total sales amount is what we got as output. And coming to the reviewer table, the query is select count, country of residence, count of star as total reviewers from reviewer group by country of residence. And this gives the output as presented in this table. Now let's look at join queries that demonstrate direct relationships between entities. I will show queries that link books to authors, sales to books, and publishers to book editions. These are crucial for relational data analysis and ensuring data integrity across the database. So coming to the first join query, that is between author and books, we have executed this query, and uh, the query is select author.author ID, author.first name, author.last name, book.book ID from authors table, and we are joining it on book table. So we get this as output. And next, executing book and ratings table. There is a join on book ID column from book table and rating book table and rating table. So this is the output for the table. And next, coming to book and awards. These are the columns present in the select query, and we are joining on book and awards table and common column as book ID. This is the output for the query. And in publisher and book edition, we have selected publisher.publisher ID, publisher.publishing house, and ISBN from publisher table and joining book edition table. This is the output of the table. And similarly, for book and book edition, we have this as our output. And next, coming to book edition and sales, we have ISBN column in the output, sales date in the output, item ID, and discount. So the join is between the ISBN column of sales table and book edition table. And next, coming to the books and checkouts. This is a very long table having a join between book and checkouts with column ID as book. You can see the output in the table. Last one is the join between the ratings table and reviewers table, and the common column between the reviewer table and rating table is reviewer ID. And this is the output of the table. In conclusion, our database system not only efficiently stores and manages data related to books and their associated entities, but also supports complex queries and data analysis that are essential for decision making in the publishing industry. Thank you for your attention.